minor. Now the chord drills are in key signatures and songs are in key signatures, which means generally the chords from a chord drill will often match the chords from a particular song. So they're a great way of practicing not only your chords but also practicing chord changes. So the play along will actually go through the pattern 3 times, starting slowly and getting faster. I'm suggesting doing the island strum, down, down, up, down, up. But as always, it is entirely up to you guys what strumming pattern you want to do. Right, so I'll go through the 4 chords. E minor to start. So you're going to put your first finger, 2nd fret on the A string, your 2nd finger, 3rd fret on the E string, and then your ring finger or 3rd finger on 4th fret of the C string, and it should sound like that for your E minor. Now your G chord, 1st finger, 2nd fret on the C string, middle finger, 2nd fret on the A string, and your ring finger, 3rd fret on the E string. There's your G. A minor, nice easy one, 2nd fret on the G string, and put your 2nd finger on that, A minor. And then B7, now it's the same pattern as E minor, just across a string. So it's 1st finger, 2nd fret on the E string, 2nd finger or your middle finger, 3rd fret on the C string, and then your ring finger or 3rd finger, 4th fret on the G string. B7. Now this is where chord drills are handy, because if you're moving between that same pattern across the strings, it's a great way of practicing your chord changes. Right, I'll let the play along take over. I do hope this chord drill has helped. We often use these at the beginning of a session in ukulele club in school. They're a great way of warming up your fingers before you start playing. Go back over, practice and practice, okay? That's the way to make your chord changes really smooth. Also, don't forget, you can slow these videos down. Click on the settings, that little cog below, and then you can slow the video right down if you're finding the chord changes too fast for now. If you've enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please give us a like. Feel free to leave a comment below. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.